All right, everyone, welcome back. We're diving into a topic today that's, well, let's be honest, it can be a little dry.
Annuities, yeah, they don't exactly scream excitement, do they?
No, not really.
Yeah,
But they are important, especially if you're thinking about retirement, which hopefully we all are.
absolutely. And that's why we're taking a deep dive into a specific annuity today, the Atlantic Coast Life Safe Harbor Bonus Guarantee Annuity. We've got some insights from Diversified Insurance Brokers to help us break it all down.
So no need to fall asleep just yet. Let's start with the basics. What is this Safe Harbor Bonus Guarantee Annuity all about?
Well, the name itself gives us some clues. It's a single premium, meaning you make one lump sum payment up front.
Got it. So no need to stress about making monthly payments or anything like that?
Exactly. And it's deferred, which means the money you put in grows over time before you start taking any payouts.
So like a long-term savings plan, but with a fancy name.
Kind of, but it's designed specifically for retirement.
Yep.
And it's issued by Atlantic Code Life Insurance Company.
Okay, so we've got single premium, the deferred part, and Atlantic Coast Life is behind it. What's so special about this particular annuity, though? There are tons of annuities out there. Why should we care about this one?
That's where Diversified Insurance Brokers comes in. They see this annuity as a way to potentially achieve guaranteed lifetime income. That's a big deal for retirees who want to know they'll have a steady stream of money coming in no matter how long they live.
Guaranteed income for life. Now, that definitely caught my attention.
Right. It's a pretty attractive feature, especially when you consider how long people are living these days. But there's more to it than just that. The Safe Harbor annuity also offers tax-deferred growth.
Hold on, back up for a second. Tax-deferred growth. What does that even mean?
It means your money grows without being taxed until you start withdrawing it. So you're essentially delaying those taxes, allowing your money to compound and potentially grow faster.
Interesting. So it's like a supercharged savings account that helps you avoid taxes in the short term. That's definitely something to consider.
Exactly. And Diversified highlighted that this annuity is designed to provide overall financial stability, which is what everyone's looking for in retirement, right?
Right. But isn't the market always going up and down? How can they guarantee anything?
That's the key difference with this annuity. It's not tied to the stock market. Instead, it earns interest based on guaranteed rates.
So it's more predictable.
Exactly. You know what you're getting, which can be a huge relief for people who are a little risk-averse, especially as they get closer to retirement.
That makes sense. But life is full of surprises. What if I need to access my money before I retire?
Good question. With this annuity, you get to choose how long you want the initial guarantee period to last, anywhere from 3 to 20 years.
So I can customize it to fit my timeline.
Exactly. And get this, for certain guarantee periods, you even get a bonus interest rate in that first year.
A bonus. So on top of the guaranteed rate, I get an extra boost.
Yep. It can really add up, giving your account value a nice little jump start.
Okay, now I'm really interested. But I have to ask, is there a catch with this bonus? Is it too good to be true?
Well, Diversified did their research. They say this bonus rate is actually very competitive with other annuities out there.
Okay, that's reassuring. So this bonus gets added to my account, and then it grows tax deferred, like we talked about earlier.
Precisely. You only owe taxes when you actually start taking withdrawals, which you can plan for down the road.
That's good to know. So let's say I've reached the end of my guarantee period. What happens then?
You've got options. You can renew for another term, withdraw all your money penalty-free, or, and this is what Diversified really likes, you can convert it into guaranteed income payments.
Guaranteed income payments. What does that look like?
It's essentially a stream of income that you can count on, like a pension, for up to 20 years.
Wow, so it's like creating your own personal pension.
Exactly. It can be really valuable for peace of mind in retirement, having that predictable income to cover your expenses.
That definitely sounds appealing. But what about the unexpected? What if something happens and I need access to more of my money?
Diversified highlighted some really cool withdrawal features that address just that. There are penalty-free withdrawal riders, which means you can access a portion of your money without those hefty surrender charges if, say, an emergency comes up.
That's a huge relief.
Right. And you can also choose to withdraw just the accumulated interest, giving you even more flexibility.
Okay, so there's some built-in flexibility there.
Absolutely. Plus, there's a death benefit feature to protect your loved ones if something happens to you.
That's important. So it's not just about protecting your own retirement, it's about protecting your family too.
Exactly.
Now, earlier you mentioned that Diversified works with multiple carriers, not just Atlantic Coast Life. Why is that important?
That's a great point. It means they're not limited to offering just one company's product. They shop around, comparing various annuities from multiple carriers to help you find the best fit for your specific needs and goals.
So they're like personal shoppers for retirement plans.
You could say that. They'll help you customize the policy, maybe add a rider to protect your spouse or adjust for inflation to make sure you're getting the most out of your annuity.
That's amazing. It sounds like they really go the extra mile. So for someone who's listening and thinking, maybe an annuity is right for me, what's the key takeaway here?
The Safe Harbor Bonus Guarantee Annuity offers a unique combination of guaranteed income, potential for growth, and some nice built-in flexibility. It can be a powerful tool for anyone who wants to create a secure and predictable retirement.
It sounds like it. But as always, it's important to do your research and figure out if it's the right fit for your individual circumstances.
Absolutely. And that's where Diversified can help. They'll provide personalized guidance, explain the fine print, and help you make a decision that aligns with your overall retirement goals.
That's fantastic. Well, thanks for breaking down this annuity for us. I know it can be a complex topic, but I think you've made it much easier to understand. Remember, everyone, annuities can be powerful tools for retirement planning, but it's important to carefully consider your individual needs and circumstances before making any decisions. Diversified insurance brokers can be a valuable resource to help you navigate these choices.
Absolutely. Don't hesitate to reach out to them.
All right, that's it for this deep dive. Thanks for joining us. We'll catch you next time.